Hello, this is Liam Murphy with a quick video demonstration of App 2, which is the audio player. So let me go ahead and build it, and then I'll run through some of the functionality. So I hope you can hear the audio because I'm using Zoom, as OBS does not like my Mac, or my Mac does not like OBS. So hopefully you can hear the audio. If not, you'll still be able to see how it functions. First, we're able to play the audio clip. And it will increment the slider, the spread slider, as well as the time. We're able to pause, and it resumes directly where it left off. We're also able to move the slider and update the position of the song as well as the time code. Now, if we enable looping and we go to the very end, the song is going to restart. Now we can try with looping disabled and see how the song will end and it will not continue. We can also affect the speed and bring it to maximum move. Delete and time the speed down 10 times the speed of the song. It's really nice story. On the other hand, if we want, it's getting close to October, Halloween. And it gets real spooky when we bring it really slow. Whatever, that's not really useful, that's just more fun. I found that it gets stuck between these points because of the step value. If I in the view controller, the minimum value comes to, I would fix this, then it won't ever get stuck. Now we're also able to affect the volume. If you bring the volume up, we'll start to become red. Bring the volume back down. We're also able to affect the pan. So you can bring it all the way to the right, as well as all the way to the left. So just to show you in code some of the functionality I added, first thing was the, let's go at the speed because I'm already there. So the speed is one of these stepper buttons. I was blanking out on the name. And I'm basically initializing all these stepper parameters in the viewed load, and then just calling on it to affect the speed of the playback. With the clipping, that's in meter view, I was checking to see if the value was above 0, which would be dBFS. And if so, then it was setting the clipping, this Boolean, to true. And then in the drawing of the rectangle, I was checking that if it was not clicking, then fill it with the normal colors. Else, if it was clipping, then fill it with red. Yes, the time code. That's fun. So I basically was able to get the time interval from the audio engine. And then I took the long double, I forget if it's a long float double, of the time interval. Yeah, it's a float, sorry. Of the time interval, basically because for some reason it is Objective-C, I found this doesn't like to use remainder operations on floats, which was kind of sad, but this is the way that I found to get around it. Anyways, just calculated the seconds using fmod, which was another workaround. To calculate the minutes, just getting the remainder and hours, and then formatting as a string and just setting the time label to that string. Looping, I did not use the delegate. I instead created this toggle function that flips if it's, or checks if the sender is on. And if it is on, then it sets the amount of loops to infinity. And if it's off, then it sets the amount of loops to 0. Set loops is just a method within this audio engine, audio player object within audio engine class. Amazing. I don't think there's anything else that I should go through that's really important. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much.